Hello everyone, it's your girl Anastasia. In my last video, I introduced some airport-related words and phrases. If you haven't seen it, please make sure to check it out. In today's video, we're still focusing on traveling. In particular, we're talking about packing for cold weather. Okay, so I have this picture of a girl standing in the snow. Let's try to describe what she is wearing in English. We can see this girl is wearing a beanie on her head. This keeps both her head and her ears warm. Alternatively, you could get those puffy ear muffs. They do a good job keeping your ears from the cold as well. A soft scarf is wrapped around the girl's neck, shielding her neck from the biting wind. The girl is wearing a long, dark green winter coat that almost reaches her knees. She's got a black sweater or jumper underneath her coat. To keep her hands warm and cozy, the girl is wearing a pair of thick gloves. If you feel gloves are not enough for you, you could also get hand warmers, those small packets that can generate heat. Okay, back to the picture. The girl is wearing a pair of dark jeans on her legs, but in this weather, I'm pretty sure that she's layered thermal underwear beneath them. To keep her feet dry and warm, the girl has chosen sturdy knee-high boots. We can't see her socks, but I would say they're probably quite thick. Alright, using that one picture, we've covered lots of useful words. Now let's look at some phrases. I need to pack warm clothing for the cold weather. Don't forget to pack your gloves. Make sure you have enough thermal socks for your trip. Have you packed your scarf? It's freezing outside. The temperature will drop below zero. The weather forecast predicts snow and icy conditions. It's going to be bitterly cold. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please let me know what you would pack for a winter trip and describe the weather conditions you might encounter in the comments. The holiday is almost here and I hope you have a wonderful time. See ya!